It seems that gardening in shade is stressing you out. So in this 7-part series, I'm going to give you the solutions you need for a successful shade garden. So, what sort of shade does your garden get? A full shade or deep shade spot is somewhere where sunlight never directly or rarely directly reaches the plants. These can often be on the south side of your house, up against the south side of a wall, or beneath evergreen trees. Plants in these spots need to be able to grow in low light conditions. Dappled shade is where the sunlight is filtered through the leaves of the trees above, or a trellis or a pergola, and this creates a soft and gentle light. This kind of shade is perfect for plants that enjoy a gentle or indirect light. Part shade can be tricky. In these spots, sunlight directly hits the plants for a total of 4 to 6 hours throughout the day, and the rest of the time it's in shade. Often it will be morning sun and afternoon shade, or morning shade and afternoon sun. Morning sun is softer and more gentle than hot western afternoon sun. So knowing what type of sun is in your part shade spot is going to help with plant selection. But what about dry shade? Oh, that's a whole other video.